through this as quickly as possible because I'm trying to use natural light, what's left of the day, and not bring out a ring light because I'm already hot. So anyway, let's get started with this hair video. So what we're doing tonight is, I told you guys in another video that I was going to do Bantu knot out for my hair this go round, and so we kind of had a change of plan. It is going to still be Bantu knot, but I'm going to do it on wet hair, and the reason being my hair was stretched for the past few weeks. I went from wearing it just down to wearing it with a little bit of curl, just kind of rolling my hair up on my finger and pin curling, and to, what did I do next? I think then I went into Bantu knots with stretched hair, dry stretched hair. So that was kind of how I finished out my stretched hair routine. Actually, I think I put a ponytail in there for a week, and then I did the Bantu knots. But anywho, because of that, my hair just felt really dry when I went to wash it. So I decided that I needed to keep some moisture in it this go round. So what I did was I washed my hair with my Aussie shampoo. I conditioned it with the Aussie moisturizing conditioner, and then rinsed that out. And because I thought I was going to do it dry, I kind of let it air dry overnight. So what I ended up doing today was I had to re-wet it, so I just kind of sprayed it with a water bottle, and then I applied my Tresemme. This is a new one. This is moisture rich. It says 7 times more luxurious moisture. So this one has vitamin E, so this is a little different. But I put that on my hair. That's what's on it now. Detangled. And now we're at the point for me to start twisting and Bantu knotting. So this is basically just going to be me twisting my hair, then put it up in a Bantu knot, go into bed, let it dry overnight, take it down tomorrow for work, and that's how we'll pretty much wear it all week. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you what products I'm going to use, and then I'm just going to kind of let the video just let you guys watch me do my hair and play some music or something, just because I know that I like to talk and I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to use for my twisting is the Meal Twisting Souffle. I've shown you guys that before. I'm going to use the Meal Honey and Ginger Flexible Hold Edge Gel. That's what I use on my edges. And then I just have the remainder of my hair oil mixture that I will be using to make sure my scalp is moisturized. So yeah, so that's kind of where we are now. And is there anything else I wanted to tell you? Yeah, when I detangled, I used my paddle brush to detangle. I finger detangled the roots, and then I used the brush to kind of get everything stretched out. Yeah, so that's it, and I'll put all the products down in the description box as usual. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the video, especially if you're one that's watching the hair videos and you're enjoying them. Make sure you hit that subscription button so that you know when I upload videos. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. 2 knots. They're not anything you want to go outside in, but here they are. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go sit under the hair dryer for probably about 15 minutes, I guess, because I did get to thinking and I was like, it's not going to be dry in the morning. So I am going to have to spend at least 15 to 30 minutes under the hair dryer, which I am dreading. But I'm going to go do that now, and once I finish, I'm just going to tie my hair up and get ready for bed. So that's the only thing. I'll sit under the hair dryer for a little bit, and then I'll wrap my hair with my scarf and go to bed and get up in the morning, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, see you in the morning.